Hello, this is Barry Nirmal. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe link below. This is the master bedroom. I installed a new fan and light here on the ceiling, and on the floor I paid about $5,000 to put new laminate flooring all over in all the bedrooms upstairs. And of course, the whole house upstairs has all been painted. This is like a pinkish color, and I painted the walls of all over the house with new paint. Of course, the ceiling I didn't paint because they're in good condition. And in this is the master bathroom. In the master bathroom, the flooring was bad, old, so I paid a worker to put laminate flooring, the one which clicks, not the glue down, and he put new flooring, and he also put new quarter round. You know, all around you see that that brown piece is called quarter round, and then this one here, the countertop in the bathroom was in bad shape. So I myself bought a Rust-Oleum countertop refinishing kit, and I put it on the countertop and I beautified it. It's basically, there is a base coat you put and let it dry, and then you put the top coat, and then you can also put another paint so that it looks like marble, but I didn't bother with that. And then this mirror here is old, but the border was all faded, so I put basically a varnish on the all around the edge. And of course, under the sink, there was a water leak, which I hired a plumber to fix it. And then, of course, under the sink also I painted all the cabinets, the doors also I painted in yellow. Okay, so it looks all good. And then this is the master bedroom closet. It's very big, and of course it's all painted in the same color. And then all these wooden rods where you hang the clothes, I put varnish, the brown varnish, which is very good. It makes it look new. Okay, and of course all the doors were painted in brilliant white, and the trims, all the trims around the door, the trimming all around the border, they were also painted in brilliant white. Same goes for all the bedrooms, all the doors. All the doors are in brilliant white, and of course also all the switchboards and the outlets. See, the covers were old, so I put new covers, and also new screws. Some of the screws were old, so I put new screws. And then here, you see there is another bedroom here. I put a new fan and light. I know how to install them, so I save money on labor. Otherwise, they charge $100 just to install this fan. So, and then this fan, of course, is old, but I fixed it up, cleaned it up, and made sure everything is working good. Okay? And then this is the game room. The game room has a fan and light. So basically I cleaned it up again. I opened it, cleaned it, and then this is a new thermostat. This is made by Nest. Google owns it now, Nest company. And then this AC was old, it broke. So I paid something like $6,000 to hire a company. He put a new red AC and furnace. It goes in the closet. There is no attic here. This house does not have a proper attic. It just has a crawl space, okay? And the crawl space, you enter through this. See, this is the cover, like a gate or door. You remove the door and then you climb. And it's like a what you call crawl space. You could just crawl. You can't walk, okay? So this is the new AC, and of course all the doors are again pre-painted. And then this is another bedroom. This is the old fan that was there, and some of the blades were dirty, so I cleaned it and I painted it. See the blades? I painted it, and I made sure that all the bulbs, they have shades. Nice shades, clean shades. And also, see all these windows, the window covers, the blinds, they were old, so I removed all of them, and I put new blinds in all the bedrooms, all the rooms, new blinds, which I bought from Walmart, and I installed them myself. So that kept me busy for 2 months, 2.5 months. Actually, this house was bought as keep busy project. I bought it so that I stay busy fixing it and taking care of it, so I have something to do. Because, as Dostoevsky said, every man must have something meaningful to do, okay? You must have something meaningful in life to do, otherwise your life becomes meaningless, okay? So this is the living room downstairs, living area where you put sofa. It's a big area here, and then this is a small half bathroom downstairs, which is for guests. Like the guests who come, you have a party, they sit in the living room, and then they can use the half bath. Half means there is no shower, but there is a toilet and a sink, and of course downstairs, the flooring is all ceramic tile. And also in the living room, I installed chandeliers. See chandeliers? I installed 2 chandeliers, matching chandeliers. And then this light here also is matching. See? It has basically silver border. This is silver metal. So this one is matching. See the matching chandelier and matching light. And downstairs, all the walls were painted in yellow. Of course, it's not the best color. Some people said it's not the best color, but at least yellow is neutral. It's not too dark yellow. And of course, all these trims. See this here is all painted in brilliant white. Okay. Same thing when you go up on the stairs were all faded, wooden faded. So I put basically varnish. They say varnish. Yeah. So I put a varnish, a very thick varnish, so it sticks, and even if you mop it occasionally, it's not going to fade. Yeah. Okay. So this looks nice, okay, and of course there are trims. See, on the side is all brilliant white, and this one is brilliant white, and of course the down is all yellow. The kitchen was old. What do you call? Kitchen countertop was old, so I got rid of it and I hired somebody. I paid less than $2,000 to put new stone, granite countertop. I put there was no microwave here, so I put a new microwave. I paid somebody to install it. And all the countertops in the kitchen were painted in yellow. And then this one here, the dishwasher was old. It was rusted, so it was giving bad impression. So I bought a new Amana dishwasher, and I paid somebody to install it. And this is the space for the fridge. The fridge was old. it was little smelly, so it would spoil the impression. So I paid somebody $30 to haul it away. Okay, and this is the countertop. Okay, and of course it has a garbage disposal, which is under the sink. This is again new garbage disposal, which I installed, and then here, this is the door to the outside. It's a sliding door. See, there is a sliding door here, and it's little sticky. So I cleaned it up very nicely, and so that it moves freely. And this is the backyard. The backyard is quite huge. There is no trees here, so this is this is the house. And then the garage also. Garage was very dirty. The floor, because the tenants, they were living here. They were using it. Their cars leaked oil. So I cleaned it up, and then I painted it with paint, floor paint. Okay, and everything is clean here. And then this garage door. When you rent a house, the first thing the tenant do, within 6 months, they break the garage door, because either they hit it with a car or they do something with the wiring. So I put a new garage door. Okay, it cost me about $1,500, including parts. So one man came and he put a new garage door. So it opens. Okay, and then this one here is a water heater, and the base of it, I painted it. So it works good, it works great. And the wall also, the whole garage walls, they're all painted in blue all over. Blue walls, blue floor, and then outside, I will show you. See, I'm opening the garage door. See the garage door, and now this is the two car garage, and this is the driveway to the house, and I cleaned up, and then the sign here, sign was faded again, so I painted it myself with black, and then if you go to the front, let's go to the front, and then of course I maintained this outside lawn. I basically cleaned it up with a lawnmower. See, my own lawnmower I do myself. I mowed the lawn, and this is the front of the house. Okay, now the front of the house, again the door, I painted in brilliant white. The side also brilliant white, and the walls sometimes were dirty. So I used my own pressure washer, and I hired somebody to clean it up. So it looks clean. And the tree outside, you have to clean it. You have to remove any dead leaves and make it presentable. Same thing here. There are two trees. They are both properly maintained. Okay, and then this one here, the fence was broken in some places. So I hired somebody to see in the last storm that we had a few months ago, about 6 months ago. It broke, lots of fences in the Houston were broken. So I hired somebody to repair this section, put new fence in this section. And wherever the fence pickets were missing, I bought fence pickets from Home Depot, and I nailed it myself with my own machine. I have a compressor and a nailer, automatic nailer. So I used it to fix the fence. So this house is quite good. See, look at this house, 2-story house, 2,200 square feet more. Okay, so this is the story of how you fix the house to sell it, and then you put it on the market, pay some real estate agent. Real estate agent charged me 2.5% commission to list it. So good luck. Please subscribe to my channel. write your comments and spread the word. Share this video with all your friends. Okay? Goodbye. Hello. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also write your comments in the comment section below. Spread the word. You can share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below, and you can share it with WhatsApp, with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and by sending email to your friends.